welcome to Pluralsight Live 2019 and the great state of Utah. This is the year that Pluralsight became a multi-product company.
We have 80-plus breakout sessions and 130 speakers, half of whom are women.
Do not deprioritize the skill development of your learning teams, because by doing so, we're setting the organizations back.
The winner and a $50,000 prize, Roy B. And our second winner, Seek.
I enjoy life so much.
This is my favorite conference of the year to attend.
Networking is awesome.
I love the fact that they are focusing on skills.
I think every breakout session I was able to find something that fit my needs and my interests.
Ladies and gentlemen, Trevor Noah.
When people say tech, a lot of people still think, oh, I'm wearing my glasses and I'm going to program a thing. It's like, no, tech is literally everything.
Please welcome Alex Honnold.
It took me a really long time to be able to look up at El Cap and actually think that might be something that I could potentially free solo. To really master a skill, you have to have a broad foundation below it.
Delighted and fortunate to have Adam Savage.
So I land wrong, I've got this terrible wedgie, I'm freezing cold, and now the boat's on its way to me like this.
Please welcome Ellen DeGeneres.
The same reason I hosted the Oscars is I just like to make myself scared. I think you have to challenge yourself to constantly grow. When you're in the middle of failure, you're not going, oh, when I get success, this is going to look real good.